guessed from the video title what we are doing today. Of course, unboxing the new iPhone 13. So today we are going to unbox this new iPhone 13 and I'm going to tell you all about this right now, and I'll also set it up and show you. So let's start unboxing this iPhone 13. And we don't need any scissors or anything because Apple has removed its plastic covering. So they do not give you your iPhones in plastic coverings now. There are no plastic coverings, and let's just jump into the iPhone. So as you can see over here, here is our iPhone. So let me first tell you the details. The price is 79,900 rupees. So this is the MRP, right? This is 128 GB and this is the blue iPhone, right? The plain blue color, right? So let's unbox this. Ooh, the feel. So okay, so let's take this and peel this. Wow, so cool, so cool, so cool, right? So here is our iPhone. Let me just set this iPhone up and I'll just get back to you in a second. So now I have set up this iPhone, the cover and everything has been put on, right? We'll come back to the iPhone later. This 128 GB, if I told you, yep, it is 128 GB. Dimensions 7.15 centimeter by 14.67 centimeters, right? Pretty cool. And March 8, 2022 manufacture, and this is pretty cool. And Apple has not given much, so I'll just keep the iPhone aside right now. So Apple has not given much in the box. The USB-C cable and then manuals, right? Some manuals. So here we have the Apple sticker. Here we have all the information, and then here we have something that I don't know about. So let's just file this back inside the box, right? Put this USB-C cable back, put this back, and let's close the box and come back to the iPhone over here. Okay, so you see this iPhone is a blue color over here, right? So this is pretty cool, yeah. And you can see the cover is also pretty cool, but you may not be that interested in it. And one thing I want to tell you about this, the camera is outstanding. So now I'm just trying to record my laptop screen, and I can tell how much better this is recording. And the cinematic mode, the new mode, the cinematic mode, right? This is a mode like it makes videos like you are using cinematic cameras, right? So it makes very cool videos, right? But over here we have two cameras. One is the cinematic one, I think, and one is the normal one, I think, right? And there's a microphone also over here and the flashlight. I think this is the flashlight. Okay, let me just go and do the flash. Yes, that is the flashlight that I pointed to. Yup. So as you can see, we have all the apps, and yup, this is so cool. And we have some things over here. The battery is right now 55%, and the main thing is the camera. The camera is so good, I cannot tell right now. Okay, so let me just show you a picture of myself. Okay, so you're not able to make much out, but it is a very high resolution camera over here. And there's the Pano portrait photo video and the new cinematic, slow-mo and time lapse, right? So this is very cool. And if you want, I can make a demo video from this iPhone 13, right? So if you want, I'll make a demo video showing which type of videos this iPhone 13 can record, and on your request I can make a video showing all its camera capabilities. So this was it guys for the iPhone 13 unboxing. Very smooth phones, a very smooth phone, very smooth buttons, I must say, very smooth buttons, and I like it a lot. Thank you guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, subscribe.